Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the value of the following without the use of a calculator. So this means that we do need to show working. Okay, and 512, the easiest way is actually we would like to write it in prime factorization. So as I do this, prime factorization, 128 divided by 2, 64 divided by 2, 32, continue. Eventually you would get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So cube root of 512 is actually equals to 2 to the power of 9, and we have learned that 2 power 9 actually can split them out into 3 groups of 2 power 3. 3 of them, 3 groups. Therefore, this one will be equals to 2 power 3. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. That will be for part A. So that's the working. So this is the answer. We will do the same for 5,832. Divide by 2, that will give me 2,916. Still can divide by 2, and this will give me 1,458. Even number can divide by 2, 729. I proceed to divide by 3. The next prime number, divide by 3, 27, divide by 3, 9, divide by 3, 3, and divide by 3, 1. And therefore, the cube root of 5,832, I can write it as the prime factorization, 2 power 3 times 3 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And by now you could have guessed, how do I make 3 groups that are equal? 2 times 3 power 2. Yes! And therefore, this will be the answer. 2 times 9 is 18, and we've gotten the answer. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day!